Casco means huge in our language. Casco meaning
Oh, okay.
casco.
Uh,
Huge.
good.
Who's this? Which?
Good evening, Facebook friends and family and everyone else. This is another episode of Kitchen Shenanigans with Miss Ellen. And I just wanted to show you some of my finished product. Earlier I had mentioned that I was making some homemade or do-it-yourself onion powder and garlic powder. And so this is what I wanted. This right here is the onion powder. And this right here is the garlic powder. And basically what I would say is what I've learned is that you would cut up the onion, you would puree it, and then you would spread it out on a thin sheet on some parchment paper. And the same with the garlic. You would really puree it to where it is, it's pureed. You spread it out on some parchment paper, put it in a dehydrator. If you don't have one, put it in the oven at the lowest setting for about maybe a couple of hours. It should be, at the end, it should be crumbly, dry. It should not necessarily cooked, but it should be dry. And then you would put it in a coffee grinder or spice grinder. And this is what you'll end up with. I would say for me, since I don't go through garlic and onion that quickly, then I would find that this would be the best way to use like the old garlic or the old onion before it really dies, just to make garlic powder. So it's always a renewable resource. Also here, last night I had made, did the beginning process of making pickled beets. So this is the finished product. There's more in the refrigerator, but this is the pickled beets, and I decided to blend it with some marinated artichoke hearts from Costco, my favorite. And so that right there is going to be my vegetable blend until my vegetable snack, until I finish the rest of my food. But so far, that's so far of what the recipes for this week for Kitchen Shenanigans. Next thing I'll be making is some rice milk, and then I will show you as far as my crock pot meal, and that will be a little later. So until we connect again, stay safe.